the UAE has introduced an unemployment insurance package that is going to come into effect in January of 2023. So if you are a resident, if you are someone working in the United Arab Emirates, you are now going to be insured, and when you lose your job, you are going to be covered for a period of 3 months. So this is mandatory for all those who are working in the United Arab Emirates, whether you're working in the public or in the private sector. You must subscribe to the insurance scheme. So again, this insurance scheme is to help employees in the United Arab Emirates so that they can be able to sustain themselves for a period of 3 months after they lose their job. So in the video today, I'm going to try to explain this unemployment insurance scheme, how much you are going to pay every month, how much you are going to get every month, and also how you can be eligible for the program. So before we go further, I would like you to first of all understand that this program is going to come into effect from January 2023. So from this period, January 2023, you are going to start paying the premium. So the premium for this insurance package is divided into two different parts. So there is a first category of people who are receiving a salary of less than 16,000 dirhams. So if your salary is less than 16,000 dirhams, you fall under the first category. And under this first category, the premium, meaning the amount that you're going to pay every month in the United Arab Emirates, is 5 dirham. So you're going to pay 5 dirhams every month as premium for the insurance scheme to get an insurance coverage. So, and this 5 dirham you're going to pay for a period of 12 months before you can actually claim anything from the insurance scheme. So you have to understand this very well. So if in January 2021, for example, you start paying the 5 dirhams and in February you lose your job, you cannot be eligible for the program. If you have paid your premium for a period of 12 months without failing, then after that 12 months, when you lose your job, you can now get a claim. This first category of people are those who are receiving a salary of less than 16,000 dirhams. So if you are receiving a salary of less than 16,000 dirhams, you are going to be paying 5 dirhams every month or 60 dirhams per year. And you can also decide to pay this money either one-time payment of 60 dirhams, or you can decide to split the payment whichever way is convenient. If you want to pay every month, fine. If you want to pay every 3 months, it's on you. So the premium that you pay is 5 dirhams for the first category, and for the second category, the premium is 10 dirhams. And these 10 dirhams includes those who have a salary of above 16,000 dirhams. So if you are receiving a salary of more than 16,000 dirhams, you are going to be paying 10 dirhams every year, and the total is not supposed to exceed 120 dirhams per year. However, inside the two different categories, the claim is different. So the first category, the amount of money that you're going to get from this insurance scheme when you lose your job in the first category, the amount is not supposed to be more than 10,000 dirhams. So the amount is supposed to be calculated 60% of your basic salary. So you have to calculate 60% of your basic salary. That is the amount of money that they are going to give to you every month for a period of 3 months after you lose your job. And this money is not supposed to exceed 10,000 dirhams for the first category. In the second category, it is still 60% of the basic salary, but the maximum payment is 20,000 dirhams. So you have to understand those are the two different categories. Those who have a salary of less than 16,000 dirhams, you are going to pay 5 dirhams every month, and the government and the insurance company cannot give you more than 10,000 dirhams. However, for those in the second category, more than 16,000 dirhams, you are going to pay 10 dirhams every month, and you cannot get more than 20,000 dirhams as claim. So in January 2023, there are going to be different ways in which you can actually subscribe to the insurance scheme. The first way is through bank ATM. So there will be a way in which you can go to bank ATMs and actually subscribe to the insurance scheme. Another way is insurance pool website. So the specific insurance company, you can go to the insurance company website and you subscribe to the scheme. And the next one is a smart application. Another one is kiosk machines. So there are going to be machines all around the UAE in different places, maybe in malls. You can even go there and subscribe to the insurance scheme. Another way is through business services centers. So all the centers that provide business services, they can actually help you to subscribe to the insurance scheme. Another one is money exchange companies and do an Etisalat or by SMS. So there are going to be different ways that you can use to subscribe to the insurance scheme from January 2023. After you subscribe to the insurance scheme, then you can only be eligible to receive compensation after you have subscribed for a period of 12 months. So from January 2023 up to December, you cannot lay any claim. So once you start paying the money and you lose your job between this 1 year period, then you cannot get any claim from the insurance scheme. So you can only start getting claims from January of 2024 if you have been paying your premium all through the period of 1 year. So it means that only those who are going to lose their job from a period of January 2024, those are the people that are going to get their claim from the insurance company. You can get your claim through different ways. One way you can get your claim is through the insurance pool electronic portal. You can submit your claim, and smart applications, call center within 30 days of job loss, and claim will be paid within 2 weeks from the date of claim and a maximum of 3 months per claim. Again, for you to be eligible, you are supposed to subscribe for at least 12 months, like I said, to the insurance program. No disciplinary reasons for job loss. So the reason for you losing your job is not supposed to be something that goes against the laws of the country. There are certain things in place. So maybe they just dismiss you from work because of something that you did, something bad that you did, then you cannot get that claim. So the reason for your job loss is not supposed to be attached to any disciplinary reason. You are also not eligible if you leave the country after you lose your job or after you get another job. So if you lose your job today and next week or in 2 weeks time you get a new job, then you are not eligible to get any claim from the insurance program. This program is not also eligible for domestic workers, part-time workers, and those who are under the age of 18. So that is that regarding the new unemployment insurance in the United Arab Emirates. It is supposed to start in the month of January 2023. And if you are working in the UAE, you are a resident with a valid Emirates ID and a valid labor contract, then you are going to start paying 5 dirhams or 10 dirhams depending on your salary from January 2023. And if you lose your job after a period of 1 year that you have paid the premium, you can file a claim and get compensation or get a claim that can sustain you for a period of 3 months. So the first month they'll pay you 60% of your salary, the next month they'll pay you another 60% of your salary, and the third month they'll pay you again another 60% of your basic salary. I think it's a welcome news to everyone. And if you have any comments regarding this, please put it in the comment section so that we can all share. Thank you very much and have a nice time.